Hello, superstars. Once again, you're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this short video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze this market. I'm going to analyze this V101S with you so that you can also replicate the same thing. All right. So the first thing I want to do is to know the overall direction of the market. As you can see, this market is of course an uptrend, and I'm using the 4 hours time frame. So I'm going to draw my trend line. All right, I use trend line strategies, support and resistance, but the way I would trade support and resistance is not the same way most people trade their support and resistance. All right, the way I trade my trend line is not the same way most people trade their trend lines. All right, I look up for turning points and then I use smart money concept to trade those turning points. All right, so now you can see that the market is an uptrend, and ideally what most people do is most people buy from here. Whenever market touches our trend line, we buy. All right, but that's not how I actually trade. I actually wait for market to break out of this my trend line, give me a fair value gap from to the upside before I look for buy opportunities. But this market right now, as you can see, the market has already touched, giving us a double top. Look at it here, multiple touches here. Market has given us a double top. So this is of course an order block. All right, this is an order block, and the market has given us a double top on this order block. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do right now? Let me draw fair value gap. Now we didn't enter the market from the beginning, so we didn't enter. I expected the market to, of course, break out and give me a week before entering, but the market did not give me such chance to enter. So I'm going to be looking for fair value gap on. Let me go to 1 hour time frame to look for fair value gap. All right, so this is my 1 hour time frame. So let me see if I'm going to get fair value gap on 1 hour time frame. I'm not seeing any fair value gap on 1 hour time frame. Let me look at for 30 minutes if I'm going to see fair value gap as well. All right, 30 minutes also. Let me see. From here, fair value gap from this end, this place to here, I've not seen any fair value gap right now. So what I'm going to be doing is, let me go back to 4 hours time frame and wait for the market to take these lows. All right, I want to make the market to take this low. If the market clear this low and give me a fair value gap, that means I'm going to be looking at for sell opportunity. So now it's going to be also breakout and retest strategy, but I'm going to be using both breakout and retest and fair value gap to look for sell opportunities. So I'm looking for market to break out of this trend, this particular structure here, and then give me a fair value gap to the downside. Then fair value gap in 3 candlestick is going to, after the market breaks this particular trend line, I want to expect 3 red candlestick 4 hours time frame perhaps to give me massive movement. Then look for fair value gap to come back to test the trend line. Perhaps that time it may be coming back to test this trend line, or coming to retest the fair value gap. Then I'll look for sell opportunity. If you don't know anything about fair value gap, please watch other videos that I explain extensively about what is a fair value gap. Right, I hope you understand this video. So right now for V711S, V101S rather, I'm going to be waiting for a sell opportunity if price actually breaks out of this structure, this market structure, and then give me fair value gap, maybe breakout and retest as well. So guys, I hope this helps. Join the La Prinzo World Academy, where we give you step-by-step training. Yeah, you will learn how to trade professionally. All right. For those of you who have not joined my health class, I think I've announced about launching health class in my community, because you can make all the money trading forex. I can give you all the ideas, and if you don't have good health, then you cannot trade forex. So I've learned the secret of helping people. I've learned the secret of reversing any kind of health challenges using natural method, herbs, seeds, nuts, right, natural means, including exercising and dieting. So I applied it on myself. It works for me. So because of that, I've done something. I want to start training people how to live healthy. So join my live class every day. I'm starting tonight, 6 p.m. Nigerian time. All right. You can check it with your time zone. I've already posted on my TikTok about this. So join my daily live training on how you can learn success principles and also how you can solve your health challenges